Does anybody know who Peter Thiel is? Does anybody know who Elon Musk is? Who are 2 of the 6 founders of PayPal? Elon Musk, Peter Thiel. Okay. It was leaked by an IRS contractor. You know the IRS, they have these contractors, they get access to their database, and every once in a while they talk outside of school. And the person that leaked, the people that leaked this, saying they usually end up in prison, but there was an IRS contractor that's kind of one of the eat the rich kind of guys, and he found in the IRS records that Peter Thiel, this is some years ago, Peter Thiel had a $5 billion Roth. Back in the late 90s when they were starting to form PayPal, Peter Thiel put, I think it was $2,000 in 1998, I think it's within a nickel within a year there, put $2,000 into PayPal stock, self-directed Roth IRA. The company went bonkers. And then within a Roth you can buy and sell, and there's no capital gains tax, there's no tax at all. And so then he could diversify, and it just keeps, he did really well with PayPal, and then kept going from there. So even, it was maybe 5 years ago, it was leaked that Peter Thiel had a $5 billion Roth. Now, Peter Thiel could retire at, say, 70, get his $5,000 a month from Social Security, $60,000 a year from Social Security, and have a $5 billion Roth. And if those are the 2 income sources he had, he would never pay federal income tax the rest of his life. He could take $100 million a year from his Roth. It's not reportable income. He could take all of his Social Security, 60 grand a year, and because there's no taxable income, there'd be 0 taxes on his Social Security. So that's just kind of a big, kind of a story to help us remember how we might be able to get with tax planning to where we pay 0 federal income tax the rest of our lives. So in the area of tax planning for retirement, you could score yourself a 10 if you have no tax deferred accounts. You also could score yourself very highly there, maybe an 8 or 9. I would say probably a 9. You've got tax deferred accounts, and then you've got some what we call non-qualified accounts, or maybe brokerage accounts, which those could have long-term capital gains taxes. That would be pretty tax efficient. That would be a 9. If this is all brand new information to you, you're probably at a 6, because you probably just not have implemented these little adjustments, and that's okay. We're not here to judge anybody. We're here to help. So if you'd like to come see us, get a checkup for the neck up, and look at working with us, we'll talk about that here in a little bit and offer that to you.